Welcome to Ami's Cooking. I'm Ami. Hi friends, I will be showing very easy and quick instant recipe of khaman. This is all-time favorite Gujarati snacks. It's eaten not only in Gujarat but all over in India. So without wasting any time, let's see what ingredients we need to make this instant Khaman Dhokla. I'll be using 1 cup of fine chickpeas flour, 2 tablespoons of Semolina, that's Rava or Sooji, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of Eno Fruit Salt, 1 teaspoon of Sesame Seeds, 1 teaspoon of Desiccated Coconut, about 1 cup of water to make the batter. I will also be using about 1/3 cup of water for the tempering. I also have chopped green chilies, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. I already put the water to boil in my Dhokla steamer. This is the tray with the hole so the steam can come up. And I have the grease plate on it. I will pour the dhokla batter in this grease plate. So let's make the batter while this water is boiling. First add the chickpeas into a larger bowl because when we put the Eno Fruit Salt we need more space. Add the semolina, salt to taste, half the sugar in here, half I'm gonna add into the water, ginger paste and add about 1 cup of water. Mix it well so that we do not have any lumps in it. Now add the Eno Fruit Salt and lemon juice on the top. Mix it well and right away we need to add it in the steamer. Add the batter, cover and let it cook for about 12 to 15 minutes. While the Khaman Dhokla is steaming, we can prepare the tempering. Keep the stove on medium, add the oil and the mustard seeds. Let the mustard seeds splatter. Now the mustard seeds splattering. We can add the saffron, about a pinch of it. Add the sesame seeds. Add the chopped green chilies. I have de-seeded it so it does not taste so hot. Let it cook for about 1 minute. Add about 1/3 cup of water. Add the remaining sugar in it and bring it to a boil. It's always very important to add water while you make the Khaman Dhokla or any kind of dhokla tempering. Our tempering for Khaman Dhokla is ready now and I will turn off the stove. Our Khaman Dhokla is ready now. I'm gonna let it cool down and then transfer into a different plate. I have transferred the Khaman Dhokla onto a separate plate and this is upside down. This was the bottom. So it has more grill to absorb the tempering. I'm gonna add the tempering first and then cut the dhokla. Make sure that we have enough water in the dhokla so that it stays spongy and soft. I used about half the tempering we made. This other half I'm gonna use in the second plate of dhokla. So now I'm gonna cut it into square pieces. Now I'm garnishing with the desiccated coconut. You can also add the chopped coriander leaves, but I don't use coriander leaves a lot, so I skip that over here. I'm so excited to try my super spongy and soft Khaman Dhokla. This instant Khaman Dhokla I made in less than 30 minutes and it tastes heavenly, really. It tastes so good. Please do try and enjoy this recipe. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time.